In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navigation bar on your Weebly website, whether you're looking to give your site a fresh new look or simply want to improve the way visitors find information. Updating your navigation menu is a great place to start. We'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head on over to the Weebly site editor. This platform provides you with a very user-friendly way to make changes, so it's suitable whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. You can find the site editor by logging into your Weebly account and navigating to the main dashboard. From there, select the website you're planning to edit, and the site editor will open up, displaying all the elements you can adjust. Once you're in the editor, the first thing you want to do is locate your site's title. Clicking on the title allows you to make several adjustments. For instance, you can switch it to plain text, use a logo, or even turn it off entirely if you prefer a cleaner look. This ability to toggle between different display options can really help align the navigation bar with your brand's visual theme. It's also an excellent way for making the navigation feel more personalized and unique to your site. Next, you'll want to look at the broader structure of your navigation menu. To do this, you'll click on the Pages button in the site editor. This action brings up a complete list of all the pages you currently have on your site, organized in the order they're presented in your navigation bar. This feature is crucial for understanding how your audience currently interacts with the site's content. The flexibility of Weebly's drag and drop functionality becomes evident here. To create a more organized and user-friendly experience, consider utilizing drop-down menus. You can easily set pages as sub-items by dragging them slightly to the right. This simple action effectively nests them under a parent page, creating a drop-down effect on your menu. Drop-downs are a fantastic way to declutter your navigation and make it easier for visitors to find what they need without overwhelming them with too many choices right off the bat. It's all about improving the user experience while maintaining a sleek and clean aesthetic. As you make these changes, don't forget to preview your work. The preview function is a lifesaver that helps you see exactly how your navigation bar will look to site visitors. You can toggle back and forth between the editor and the preview until you're satisfied with the changes. Once you're happy with how everything looks, clicking publish will make these adjustments live on your website. In just these few steps, you've managed to revamp your Weebly website's navigation bar, enhancing both its look and functionality. With everything set up, visitors will have a much easier time navigating your site, making their experience more enjoyable and driving better engagement for you. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy designing!